250,000 Bitcoin. Tim Draper is not backing down. He's staying by this Bitcoin prediction in 2023. He said it right here. Tech mogul Tim Draper has recently addressed it. The prediction of Bitcoin reaching 250,000 this year. Let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Sheldon, the captain here, and this is what he thinks. He's a billionaire, venture capitalist, crypto enthusiast. Revealed that he wore a t-shirt with the slogan 250,000 by 2022. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, the halving, okay, is an event that rewards those who mine Bitcoin with fewer coins. That is scheduled to happen in 2024. But he's thinking that this, I would say, prediction is going to happen in 2023. He's a long supporter of Bitcoin. He really believes Bitcoin is going to be one of the major catalysts the world is going to adopt. Now, eventually I do Bitcoin is going to become to those levels, but 250,000, hey, let's just get back to 20,000. Because right now the thing is about 16,000. Let's just get to 20,000 and then move forward from there. But he believes that it is. So he's an investor. He believes Bitcoin can help individuals increase their financial, wealth, well-being, bringing unbanked people into the world of the economy. So what do you think Bitcoin is going to be? I do think we're going to see an increase in Bitcoin sometime this year, maybe around the summertime and the fall, as the Federal Reserve, stop raising interest rates. They halt it and then they'll start to cut it at some point. I think they're going to cut interest rate in 2023, and that's when you may start seeing some things go up. But he thinks it's going to go up now. Let's wait and see what happens, because this guy, he knows his stuff, and he feels good about what he has. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. $250,000 Bitcoin. That happens. That means altcoins could skyrocket from now. Ooh, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.